Our simple task this year was to get a penny into a piggy bank using simple machines. A simple machine is a machine that uses simple tasks to get a job done. Our 7 steps this year was first, a ball hits a lever. A lever is made of 3 parts, the effort, the load, and the fulcrum. The effort is what is pushing the load. The load is what the lever is trying to move. And the fulcrum is what the lever balances on. Next, the lever is bumped into a tape roll, which rolls down an inclined plane. Then the tape roll hits a car, or a wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is made of 2 parts, the wheel and the axle. Which the wheel is what makes the car move, and the axle is what the wheels rotate on. Next, the car hits the wedge, or the baby, which then it goes down a zip line. Then it cuts the tape, which activates a pulley system. Then it goes up there and then down on the other side, which is levers inside, which makes it heavier. And then it bounces into the track. Then the ball rolls down the inclined plane, meeting another inclined plane, which it rolls down, and then hits the bank, which knocks the penny into it.
Our group's strengths were we were all positive, and whenever we messed up, we tried again. It was difficult because we all had different ideas, and we had to choose one or compromise and put one together. It was also difficult because we had to depend on our group mates to bring in the supplies we needed. This is how many times we tried, but we failed.
So some of the problems that we had are things that we learned, are that you have to be willing to change ideas, even when you really like the ideas that you already have. And you have to listen to your group's ideas, or maybe your project won't be completed the way you want it to. And also, even if you think that something that you have a lot of time for it, or it won't be very hard, you just use your time wisely before the time gets away from you. Definitely what we would do differently is take the pulley so it doesn't fall on our heads, and stay at our own group and not walk away and wander around. And the advice that we would offer to any of you future Rube Goldberg machine designers is that even when it gets tough or when you feel like you want to quit, just keep trying and don't give up. And just, even if your machine doesn't work, that's fine. And if it does, then that's great. And just the one thing to remember when you're doing the Rube Goldberg machine is to stay positive!
We present